Coming to you today with the Blackstone Griddle. I'm going to do some Philly cheesesteak with a cheese sauce. And all we're using is some of these steakums that we got from, look at that we got from Sam's. I don't know, 8 or 10 bucks. There's 6 in each one. And I'm also doing a cheese sauce from a guy that I got off of Line that is nothing but some Velveeta cut up in little tiny cubes, a few slices of Gouda cheese, some evaporated milk, and I'm roasting some jalapenos that I'm going to dump in it, and that's going to be the cheese sauce. And then salt and pepper and garlic salt or garlic powder for the steak, and that's it. And then we'll toast some buns with some butter and tear them up. So right now I'm gonna get some steak on the grill and get these jalapenos added back here. We got some steaks on here. We got some buns we're getting ready to put on the grill. I added the jalapenos to the cheese sauce. And it's already got pretty warmed up and ready to go, so I'm just gonna let it marry together there for a few more minutes. And these steakums, they took no time. I mean, I laid them down, and within a minute, they were already cooked and ready to flip. So I'm going to add some seasoning to those, flip them a couple times, and get the buns on here. I'm going to take a quick break because I got to run inside and get some butter, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. We got the buns on here. I flipped them a couple times already and turned the grill off on here just so it'll be warming up some while I mess with the buns and butter and all that stuff a little bit. The cheese is ready to go. So I'm going to give the insides of the buns about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to make them up and we'll be ready to go. You guys might hear music in the background. I don't own copyrights to it. It's Demon Jones. They're pretty badass. Go check them out. Alright, you ready for some? Oh, look at that. Nice. One package of that steakums says 6 steaks in it, but you'll have to decide what you guys think. We always buy a couple boxes of them, so I want my sandwich a little bit on the meaty side. And then we got some of this good old sauce we're going to try out. A little whirl.
Just want a little bit.
Oh, this smells good. Put as much of it on there as you want. Shelly's a little worried about the heat with the jalapeno, so I can put as many on hers. Alright. Probably should just make 2 out of that meat, but ooh, that's hot. I'm going to have to give that a few seconds to cool down. This meat in there. Nice. you were invited over for a sandwich today and you didn't show up, that's your loss. And my gain, because I'll have this later this afternoon. Alright, that's it for the small Philly cheesesteaks we made this afternoon. I'm going to give that just a few minutes to cool off because they are hot. And I'll be back and try. Alright everybody, I'm back. I cleaned off the grill a little bit so it's ready for the next time. Give this a minute to cool down because it was hot. That's delicious right there. Reminds me a little bit of the patty melt from Waffle House, which is bomb too, but that's good. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, we got more videos coming. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. I think either a pork fried rice or something like that. Maybe some shrimp. I'm not sure. But tune in. It'll be coming up on the next video. Thanks again for coming.